Welcome back. Today's topic is the instantaneous description of the pushdown automata. In short form, we can call it as the ID. By using instantaneous description, we can analyze what is the configuration of the pushdown automata. Presently, pushdown automata may have some configuration. After some seconds, it can change its configuration. So we can analyze that configuration time to time at instantly by writing the instantaneous description of the pushdown automata. So it can be expressed as the triple, meaning that instantaneous description have the three tuples q, comma, x, comma, gamma. So what is q? Q is the present state, then x is the input string to be processed, then gamma is the contents of the stack. So let's analyze the configuration of the pushdown automata by taking some example. This is the example. So right now I can analyze what is the configuration of the pushdown automata. Let's assume it is the initial state. So as I told you, how we can write the configuration of the pushdown automata is by writing the ID. So ID is expressed by using the triple, have contains the three tuples. So first one is present state of the machine. What is present state of the machine is Q0. X is the input string to be processed. What is the input string to be processed? A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B, A. Then gamma is the content of the stack. What is content of the stack is only Z0. So here we can write Z0. So presently it is the configuration of the pushdown automata. Okay, let's assume that there is some transition Q0 with A and top of the stack is Z0. I am going to push A onto the stack, remains in the same state. So how we can write this transition is, now finite control points to the B and A is pushed onto the stack. That's why a stack is pointing to the top of the stack. So presently now what is configuration of the pushdown automata? So Q0, A, top of the stack is Z0. So what is next configuration? Now what is next configuration is Q0. What is the input string to be processed? You consider the present symbol also. B, C, B, A, comma, content of the stack. Content of the stack you have to write from top to bottom. What is top element? A, Z0. Now analyze the present configuration of the pushdown automata is Q0. Then input string to be processed is B, C, B, A, and content of the stack is A, Z0. For example, there is a transition Q0 with input symbol B, top of the stack is A. I am going to push B onto the stack, remains in the same state. Now reading head is pointing to the C and we are pushing B onto the stack. So B, now stack head points to which one is B. So now what is the idea of this transition is Q0. What is input string to be processed? C, B, A. C, B, A. Content of the stack is from top to bottom. B, A, Z0. This is present configuration. Okay, let's say for example on state Q0, by reading input symbol C, I am going to change the state to the Q1 without doing either pop operation or push operation. So how we can represent it is, now next input symbol is B. So top of the stack is B only because I am not adding C onto the stack or I am not removing element from the stack. No operation. So by changing state to the Q1, now Q0 is changed to the Q1. So how we can write this instantaneous ID is, so what is present state of the machine? Q1, comma, what is input string to be processed? B, A, comma, what is content of the stack from top to bottom? It is B, A, Z0. B, A, Z0. So this is about the instantaneous description of the pushdown automata.